Hey guys, welcome to my garage. This is going to be my workshop until it gets too cold for me to work out here. I have a quick DIY for you today. These are vintage books. I saw on Magnolia's website that they are selling these for a lot of money. And so I thought I would do the same thing for hardly anything. I just ripped the covers. Make sure there are no sharp edges. You sand the rough edges to smoothen it. That way there are no sharp edges. Now you can tie this with a twine like this one, or a hay. You can tie it with hay. Is that right? Is it what it's called? Hay? I think it's called hay. I think I would like to tie it with hay. Hey, hey, hey. That's it. And then I have this hard thing that I took from one of my repurposed find. I got this rub-on transfer from Dollar Tree, and so you just sand it if you need to remove something. Then wipe it real good. So let's see if this one would stick. Wow. So guys, quick, easy DIY project to add to your decor. You can let it hang like that, or just like that. You can put in your shelf, leaning like that. My next project is a centerpiece. I have these in my stash. This could be like Christmas. Just wanting to use this for sentiment. And I like these accent. And this one too. I think that's one of the reasons why I picked this. And then add or reduce as I go along. For this project, I found this in my husband's stash of lumber. It is cedar, and I can smell it. Drilled a hole in the middle, right there, using this 3/4 inch drill. So I found some dead branches in my backyard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put that there. I'm going to glue it to put it in place. To hold it in place, I had to glue it. By the way, I drilled 3/4 of an inch. I think the hay would go with the wood better. I have this huge acorn. Maybe I should put it there.